Hey buddies, good morning to all. Today's topic is articles, means continuation of the class. Okay, as in the earlier classes, two classes we have learned kinds of articles, how many kinds of articles are there, what are they, what are indefinite articles and what are definite article, and way to use indefinite articles a and an, and way to use definite article also we have learned. Okay, we have learned way to use indefinite articles, way to use a, way to use an, right? And in the next class we have learned what is the definite article. We have only one definite article, the, and we have learned the uses also, way to use that one, way to use the, and we learned way to use the article the, right? And now, and in today's class also we're gonna learn way to use the article, and in the next one we're gonna learn omission of articles, beta, means where we are not supposed to use any article. So in few places we're gonna use a, and the, and in few in the words what we call before some words you're not supposed to use any article. That also we're gonna learn in today's class, right dears? So in the earlier class we have learned the usages of the, that is definite article, and we learned uh, actually why the is known as definite article, because it's gonna indicate the definable things, indicates the definable things. Okay, and we learned way to use the articles, article the article the is used before the directions like the east to the west to the north to south. The is used before the unique objects, which is only single unique one. Okay, the moon, the earth, the sun. And the is used before the national festivals, the is used before the names of the holy books, names of the designation, names of the abbreviations, name of the parts of day. Okay, and the is used before a common noun when it denotes the whole class or kind. I said the lion is a cruel animal in that way. Okay, and I gave the examples for those things, and next I said the is used before an adjective when it is used as noun, like the rich means the rich people, poor the poor people, in that way. And I said the is also used before a proper noun when it is used as a common noun. Okay, I gave the examples like Telugu is the Italian of the East, the Italian is a proper noun, but here it is used as common noun. And I said the is used before two comparatives in a sentence. If at all we are using two comparatives in a sentence, like the higher, the colder, the more, the less. Okay, in that way you gonna use the before two comparatives. And I said the is used before superlative degree also, like cleverest, bravest, finest, healthiest. Okay, in that way. Okay, and in the last slide we learned this one. The is used before the names of the ships, trains, aeroplanes, rivers, oceans, seas, group of islands, group of mountains, etc. Understood, beta? So the Titanic ship, what do we call name of the ship? The is used. The Godavari Express, the Konark Express, the Mumbai Express, the Sahara Airlines, the Kingfisher Airlines, the Indian Airlines. Okay, the Ganga, the Krishna, the Godavari, okay, the Atlantic Ocean, Arabian Sea, the Red Sea, the Indian Ocean, okay, in that way, and the Himalayas, the Andamans, the Maldives, etc. So, the is used before the names of the ships, trains, aeroplanes, rivers, oceans, seas, group of islands, and group of mountains. Understood, beta? Now we're gonna move to the next slide. The is used before the names of musical instruments, scientific instruments, newspapers, nationality, etc. Okay, so where we gonna use the is used before the names of the musical instruments, scientific instruments, newspapers, nationality, etc. What are the names of musical instruments? The veena, violin, flute, tabla. Okay. So when you are using these all the names of the musical instruments, you are supposed to use the before the word. Okay. The veena, the violin, the flute, the tabla, okay, the guitar, the sitara, okay. In that way, you're gonna use the before the names of the musical instruments, and you're supposed to use the names before you're gonna use the before the names of the scientific instruments also. Telescope, radio, computer, okay. So these are all the scientific instruments, so you're gonna use the telescope, the radio, the television. These are all instruments, okay, scientific instruments. So you are supposed to use the before these words, okay. And you are supposed to use the before newspapers also, like the Hindu, the Enadu, the Sakshi, the Deccan Chronicle, okay, and what do we call? There are many newspapers, and you are supposed to use the before the names of the newspapers also, okay, and before the names of the nationality, Indians, the Indians, okay, before the names of the nationalities, the Indians, the Britishers, the Americans, okay. The British defeated the French, okay, in that way. So here you are supposed to use the before the names of musical instruments, scientific instruments, newspapers, nationality, etc. Okay. Examples: veena, violin, flute, okay, the sitar, the guitar. Okay, these are all the names of the instruments, tabla. So you are supposed to use what they call the before it. And scientific instruments means inventions and discoveries beta, which were invented and discovered, like the telescope, the radio, the television, the computer, the scanner, the printer. So these are all the scientific instruments which were invented or discovered, okay. So you have to use the before the names of the scientific instruments, and before the names of the what do we call newspapers, like the Hindu, the Enadu, the Deccan Chronicle, the Indian Express, the Varta, the Sakshi, etc. etc. You are supposed to use the before the names of the newspapers, and you are supposed to use the before the nationality also, like Indians. Should not say only Indians, the Indians. Nationality, it is gonna show the nationality, the Indians, the British, the Americans, the Russians, in that way, okay. The British defeated the French, okay, in that way. Understood beta? Did you understand? Okay. So let's move to the next slide. The is used before the names of the government institutions and banks. Understood beta? The is used before the names of the government institution and banks, like the SBI, the Andhra Bank, okay, the Giriraj College, the government degree college, or the Giriraj Government College, it's government institution, the collectorate, the secretariat, okay. So in that way you gonna use the before the names of the government institutions, and also before the names of the banks, like the SBI, the Andhra Bank, the LIC, Life Insurance Corporation. Okay, okay, and the Gramina Bank, in that way, etc., etc. Understood, beta? So you have to remember, beta, you have to remember all these things, right? So the is used before the names of the government institutions and banks. Okay, that you have learned. The is used before ordinals, the numbers which we when we are talking about the numbers. I just want to tell you, we have two types of numbers, with the ordinal and cardinal. Okay, ordinal numbers means first, second, third, fourth, fifth, last, in that way you're gonna denote them, read them. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, that is those type of numbers are known as ordinal. And the numbers, what do you call, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, these are known as cardinals. Okay, better, these are two types of numbers. And what do you call, and you have to remember, the is used before only ordinals, beta, like the first, the second, the third, the fourth, the fifth, the last, etc. Understood, beta? In that way. So the is used before cardinals. Okay, beta? Sorry, ordinals. I am extremely sorry, beta. The is used before ordinals, not cardinals. Okay, beta? Did you find the difference, beta? What ordinals and cardinals are? How do you read ordinal number? First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. And how you gonna read cardinal? 1, 2, 3, 4. That is the difference between cardinal and ordinal number. And the is used before the ordinals. Okay, the first, the second, the third, the fourth, the fifth, the last, etc. Okay. Next, the is used before proper noun when it denotes the whole family. Okay, when the proper noun is denoting the whole family. Understood, beta? So here, the is used before a proper noun when it denotes the whole family, like the Tatas, the Birlas, the Ambanis, the Chauhans. It's a proper noun, but it is denoting the whole class, whole family. It's denoting the whole family. So there you have to use the. Understood, beta? Mr. Sharmas, the Mr. Sharmas, the Sharmas, okay, the Kshatriyas, in that way. Okay, so you gonna use the before proper noun when it denotes the whole family. Did you understand, beta? So let me repeat this again. The is used before the names of the government institutions and banks. So what are government institutions? The collectorate, the commissionerate, the secretariat. Okay, and let's speak about our college, the Giriraj Government College. Okay, so in that way. And banks like the SBI, the Andhra Bank, okay, the LIC. The is used before ordinals. I gave you the difference between ordinal and cardinal. Okay, the is used before only the ordinal number, like the first, the second, the last, and etc. The is used before proper noun when it denotes the whole family. It is talking about the complete family, whole family, like the Tatas, the Birlas, the Ambanis, the Chauhans, the Sharmas, etc., etc. Okay, did you understand, beta? Let's move to the next slide. Okay, so till here you have learned way to use the articles, like whether it is indefinite article or whether it is definite article. Okay, let me repeat it again. There are two kinds of articles: definite article the, and indefinite article a, comma, and you know the usages of a and the, way to use the and way to use a, comma, and. Okay, now we gonna learn omission of articles, where you should not use any article. Okay, where you should not use any article. Okay, till now you have learned way to use article, usage of a, usage of and, usage of the. Now you gonna learn the omission of articles. You gonna learn where you should not use any article. Like there are some rules. No, first let us learn the first rule. No article is used before proper noun. You know what is the difference between proper noun and common noun, right? So, no article is used before proper noun. Here, I gave an example. Gopi is a clever boy. You should not use the, a, an. Okay, you're not supposed to use any article. Either it is the, a, or an. I have given X mark. Did you see? Are you seeing, beta? Are you able to see? I have given X mark before Gopi and X mark before India. Means you are not supposed to use any article, either it is definite or indefinite. Okay? Gopi is a clever boy. India is a big country. Because Gopi is a proper noun. India is also a proper noun. Understood, beta? That is first rule. Let me repeat it again. No article is used before proper noun. Okay? No article is used before a proper noun. Like Gopi is a clever boy. India is a big country. Okay? So I have put X before Gopi and India because those two are proper nouns. Understood? So no article. Let's move to the second rule. No article is used before material noun. You know what is material noun? Okay? Gold is a precious metal. It's not the gold, a gold, and gold. Because gold is a material, gold comes under material noun, and you're not supposed to use any article before that one, before that word. Okay? Gold is a precious metal, and I have put X before that one, no article. She drinks milk daily or every day. Okay? She drinks milk daily. I didn't put any article before that. I just put an X because you, as we said, no article is used before material noun. Okay? So I have put X. So no article, neither a, neither indefinite nor definite article. Okay? And in the same way, you are not supposed to use any article before the material noun like water, oil, wheat, oxygen, etc. Understood, beta? You are not supposed to use any article before material noun. Did you understand, beta? No article before proper noun, no article before material noun. Right? Rule 3. No article is used before abstract noun. You know what abstract noun is? Okay? No article is used before abstract noun. Honesty, goodness, bravery, knowledge, wisdom. These all come under abstract nouns. Okay? So you are not supposed to use any article before the abstract nouns. Right, beta? See, beta, first one, no article before proper noun. Okay? No article before material noun and no article before abstract noun. Now moving to the next rule, rule 4. No article is used before the names of the meals. Okay? Breakfast, lunch, supper, dinner, etc. I am going to the dinner. You are not supposed to use any article or a dinner and dinner. No article is to be mentioned before the names of the meals. Should not say the breakfast, the lunch, the supper, the dinner. No. I am doing my breakfast, I am preparing my lunch, I am doing supper, etc. etc. Okay? Right. Moving to the next rule. No article is used before the names of the diseases. Okay? Did you understand, beta? No article is used before the names of the diseases like AIDS, cholera, malaria, and very, very dreadful disease, corona. You are not supposed to use any article before these diseases. Okay, beta? Did you understand? Okay, let me again, let me complete all the rules and then I'll repeat it again. Rule 6. No article is used before the names of the sports and games. As you all know the names of the sports and games. cricket, badminton, football, volleyball, tennis, chess, caroms, huh? And what do we call? Oh yeah, cricket is also mentioned here. Okay, so no article is used before the names of the sports and games. You should not say the cricket, the badminton, the football, or a cricket, a badminton, a football, or an. You're not supposed to use any article, okay, before the names of the sports and games. Now, let's move to the next rule. No article is used before the names of days of week and months of a year. Like it's not the Sunday, it's only Sunday. Not the Monday, it's only Monday. Okay, names of days of week and names of months of year. It's not the January, it's only January. The December, it's only December. Okay, beta. No need of any article before the names of the days of week like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursdays, Friday, Saturdays, and Sunday. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. In that way, you're not supposed to use any article before the day, names of days of week and months of the year. Okay, let's move to the next slide. No article is used before the names of the festivals also. Okay, like Sankranti, Christmas, Dashera, Diwali. Okay, Ramzan, etc. etc. You are not supposed to use any article before the names of the festivals. And next rule, no article is used before the branches of languages. Branches of languages like Telugu, Tamil, Hindi, Sanskrit, etc. Okay, did you understand better? Is it clear? Okay, no article is used before the names of the festivals like Sankranti, Christmas, Dashera, Ramzan, Diwali. Okay, and no article is used before the branches of languages like Telugu, Tamil, Hindi, Sanskrit, etc. Okay, so let me repeat these rules again. Omission of the articles. No article is used before proper noun. Okay, Gopi, India, British. Okay, and you should you would ask me the what do you call question that, madam, while speaking about nationality, you said that we have to use the, when you are talking about nationality you have to use the Indians, the American, the Russians, but coming to here, when you are using it as proper noun, British, America, India, you are not supposed to use any article. Second one, no article is used before material noun. Gold, silver, milk, water, oil, wheat, Java, oxygen. Nowadays oxygen is very necessary. So no article is used before material noun. Next, no article is used before abstract noun like honesty, goodness, bravery, wisdom, knowledge, etc. etc. No article is used before the names of the meals, breakfast, lunch, supper, dinner, etc. No article is used before the names of the diseases, AIDS, cholera, malaria, cancer, etc. etc. No article is used before the names of the sports and games, cricket, badminton, football, volleyball, tennis, chess, caroms. Yeah, I forgot. What you call basketball. Okay, no article is used before these sports names of the sports and games. No article is used before the names of days of week and months of year like Sunday, Monday, and all 7 days and 12 months of the year. Okay, so you're not supposed to use the before the not any article before the names of days of week and months of a year. No article is used before the names of the festivals, Sankranti, Christmas, Dasera, Diwali, okay, Ramzan, etc. etc. You're not supposed to use any article before the names of the festival. And no article is used before the branches of languages. You're not supposed to use any article before the branches of languages, Tamil, Telugu, Hindi, Sanskrit, English, French. Okay, you're not supposed to use any article before the languages. Thank you, beta. Thank you very much for listening my class. Okay. If you have any doubts, you can put the message to my WhatsApp group. Right, beta? Thank you for listening my class.